Hi, Camille. I need a pre-flight briefing from Stewart in Florida to Atlanta for tomorrow.
Thank you for your request. Just to confirm, you're looking for a pre-flight briefing from Stewart, Florida, KSUA to Atlanta, KATL for tomorrow. Is that correct?
Yes.
Here is your briefing for the route from Stewart. KSUA to Atlanta, KATL for tomorrow. Current conditions. Departure, KSUA. Expect VFR conditions early, with light winds and good visibility. Check for any morning fog or low ceilings. Destination, KATL forecast indicates VFR to possible MVFR by late afternoon, with scattered clouds and moderate winds. En route weather, 11 and EFR develops later in the day. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it. Thanks.
Understood.
This is SkyBrief Commander, an AI-powered aviation concierge built entirely in n8n. What you're seeing on screen is the full production workflow that powers a voice-first flight briefing system for private pilots. It's designed to deliver real-time, hands-free aviation briefings using authoritative data from the FAA, NOAA, and FlightAware. Everything starts here with the VAPI webhook trigger. When a pilot places a phone call, the VAPI voice interface sends the call directly into this workflow. The system immediately captures the call session, phone number, and, most importantly, the intent classification already determined by VAPI. This means the workflow knows why the pilot is calling before doing any additional processing. From there, the call moves into the intent router, which acts as the central decision hub. Based on what the pilot says, the request is routed to one of several dedicated handlers, including pilot preferences, pre-flight briefing, airport fuel questions, en route weather updates, general aviation questions, and active flight tracking. Each handler is purpose-built for a specific phase of flight, keeping responses fast and relevant. Before any briefing is generated, the system fetches the pilot's stored context. This includes things like aircraft type, preferred airports, and airspace preferences. Those preferences are stored in Supabase, allowing the assistant to personalize future briefings automatically without the pilot repeating themselves. Once the intent is confirmed, SkyBrief Commander launches parallel API calls. This is a key design choice for speed. At the same time, the system pulls METARs from NOAA for departure conditions, TAFs from NOAA for destination forecasts, NOTAMs directly from the FAA, and airport activity and traffic data from FlightAware. Because these calls run in parallel instead of sequentially, the pilot receives a complete briefing in seconds. For FAA data, the workflow securely handles authentication by extracting and managing bearer tokens. You'll also notice multiple NOTAM fetch nodes, allowing flexibility for different NOTAM types or endpoints, ensuring nothing critical is missed. All of that raw aviation data is then aggregated into a structured dataset. From there, it's passed through an AI reasoning layer, which converts technical data into a clear, pilot-friendly briefing, explaining weather, winds, ceilings, NOTAMs, and operational risks in natural language. This is where automation becomes true decision support. Finally, the response is delivered through multiple channels. A live voice briefing returned to the pilot via VAPI, a text message summary with key details, and a database log stored for auditing and continuous improvement. In the attached demo video, you can see how this plays out in real time, from the pilot's spoken request to a complete spoken briefing within seconds. In short, SkyBrief Commander is a production-grade aviation concierge. It combines voice AI, real-time government aviation data, and automation architecture to support pilots before and during flight, hands-free, fast, and personalized. This same workflow pattern can be adapted for logistics, safety-critical operations, and other regulated industries. Contact AMDR Automate AI at amdrautomate.ai or schedule a discovery call.